Hello fighters! Welcome back to my channel. ഞാൻ അനുമോൾ ജോളി തോട്ടത്തുമ്യാലിൽ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് FSO 2020 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിന് ആൻസർ കീസ് ആണ്. അതിൽ സെറ്റ് എയുടെ ആൻസർ കീ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഫ്രീസ് ഡ്രൈയിങ് ടേക്സ് പ്ലേസ് അറ്റ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ബിലോ ട്രിപ്പിൾ പോയിന്റ്. Next, use of several methods like temperature, high or low, control of acidity, control of water activity for preservation of food is known as hurdle technology. Option A. Next, the cause and effect diagram is also known as option B, fishbone diagram. The process in which a specially designed hermetic centrifuge is used to separate bacteria and especially the spores formed by specific bacteria strains from milk is known as bacterifugation. Next, the most common bacterial cultures involved in acidic fermentation are option A, Lactobacillus, Leuconostoc, Lactococcus, Streptococcus, etc. Next, which of the following statements are true? 1, 2 and 3. Foods high in sugar and other solutes dry more slowly. As drying progresses, the concentration of solutes in water increases, causing the drying rate to slow. Water that is most difficult to remove is that is chemically bound in the form of hydrates. Option B is correct answer. Foods produced using high pressure technology, gamma irradiation, high electric field pulse and thermosonication are known as option A, minimally processed foods. Food items should be subjected to microfrequency such that the dielectric constant is minimum and the loss factor is minimum. So option C is the correct answer. Next, in which of the following ways does absorption of gamma radiation takes place? All of the above, that is photoelectric effect, Crompton effect and Pay production. Option D is correct answer. Which of the following claims is prohibited? Unsubstantiated claims, that is option A. Next, what is carryover principle? Option B, antioxidant added to oil is present in all oil-based products made from it. Next, difference of green tea from black tea is that. Option C, the oxidation process is omitted and the tea leaves are steamed in a pan before being rolled to prevent oxidation by enzymes. Next, when a deviation from critical limits happen, what should be done? All the above, that is documentation of corrective actions, stop the line and inform the supervisor, reassess the HACCP plan. Option D is correct answer. Which type of packaging is appropriate for fruits? Option A, ethylene absorbers. Next, which of the following is true about death time curve method to sterilize canned food? All of the above are option D is correct answer. That is, it tells us the time and temperature to sterilize canned food. It tells us about the heat penetration of the container. It tells us about the heat conductivity of the container. Option D. Next, which method is most energy efficient for ghee making? That is option D, pre-stratification. What will be the overrun if 400 liters of mix produces 740 liters of ice cream? Option B, 85%. What is a major defect that occurs in UHT milk during storage? Option B, age gelation. Next, during cheddar cheese manufacture, rennet split the capsaicin at the junction of phenylalanine and methionine. UHT processed milk is aseptically packaged at 20 degrees Celsius. Option C. The usual method of stunning cattle is by using captive bolt pistol. Option A. Which vitamin is not available in egg? Option C, vitamin C. A meat-borne bacterial infection. Option D, salmonellosis. A cured meat product is option B, bacon. The method of preservation of egg using sodium silicate is called option B, water glass method. The certified copies may be produced in proof of the contents of which document? Option C, public documents. Consumer under the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 is option D, person and families who purchases and receives food. Next, the head office of the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India is at option B, Delhi. The enactment of Information Technology Act 2000 resulted in the introduction of which provision under Indian Evidence Act 1872? Option A, Section 65A. Next, who is responsible for the inspection of food business, drawing and sending samples for food analysis under Food Safety and Standards Act 2006? Option C, Food Safety Officer. Next, which of the following is correct? Option A, the accused can file written statements under Section 233 CRPC in support of his defense. Next, the magistrate can take cognizance of offence upon. Option B, a police report. Next, under Section 439 CRPC, which court has the power to release any person on bail by a subsequent order caused to him to be re-arrested? Option B, both High Court and Sessions Court. The High Court may confer on any magistrate invested with the powers of a magistrate of the second class power to try summarily any offence which is punishable with imprisonment for a term not exceeding 6 months. Option A is the correct answer. Under Section 374 CRPC, who can file appeal to the Supreme Court? Option A, any person convicted on a trial held by High Court in its extraordinary original criminal jurisdiction. Next, any person who manufactures for sale or distribute any article of substandard food for consumption is liable to the extent of. Option D, 5 lakh rupees. Next, the Food Safety Appellate Tribunal shall consist of 1 member. Option C. The defense which may be allowed in prosecution under the Food Safety and Standards Act is under Section 80. Option D. Where in a case the sample container received by food analyst is found to be in broken condition, he shall inform the designated officer within 7 days. That is option A. The secondary evidence is defined under which provision of Indian Evidence Act? Option D, Section 63. In which of the following separation techniques the separation is based on the net charge of the molecule? Option B, ion exchange chromatography. Next, an example of triose is option D, glyceraldehyde. Next, the exoskeleton of insects, chitin, is composed of option A, N-acetyl glucosamine. Next, of the following, which amino acid is an amino acid? Option C, proline. Next, the proteolytic enzyme trypsin hydrolyzes the peptide bonds in which? Option B, carbonyl function is contributed either by lysine or arginine. Option B aane. Next, which of the following is not an antioxidant? Option D, vitamin B6. Next, iodine number of fatty acid denotes its degree of unsaturation. Option A aane. Cold sterilization means preservation of the food by radiation. Option B. In humans, the basal metabolic rate accounts for about 60 to 75% of the daily calorie expenditure. Option A. The respiratory quotient is the ratio of option C, CO2 eliminated to oxygen consumed. Option C. Next, biological value of a protein is influenced by all the above, that is amino acid composition, vitamin and mineral content, preparation, that is cooking. Option D aane correct answer. The absorption maxima, lambda max of a compound is dependent on all the above, that is structure of the compound, pH of the solvent in which the compound exists, the polarity of the solvent. Option D aane correct answer. The purpose of guard column in HPLC system is to protect the main column. Option B. All the free radicals have unpaired valence electrons in their orbitals. Option B. Next, of the following, which is not an artificial sweetener? Option C, butylated hydroxyanisole. Next, which is modern in Gram's staining? Option D, iodine. Next, the immersion oil used in microscopy will increase the refractive index. Option B. Aflatoxins are produced by certain fungi, cancer-causing agent, causes immunosuppression. That is option D. Ellam answer on all the above one. Next, botulinum toxins are neurotoxic. Option A. MSA, mannitol salt agar, is generally used for the detection of E. coli, option A. Enzyme used in fruit juice clarification is, option D, pectinase. Rotating biological contractors are employed, option B, secondary treatment of wastewater. Next, this is not a method of enzyme immobilization, option D, Page. Next, HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point, option D. Which GM crop is approved in India? Option C, BT cotton. Next, the trap which is used widely to kill rice field rats is pot trap, option C. A dull hollow sound when tapped is the maturity index of dash crop, watermelon. Bhima is a high yielding variety of dash mushroom, white milky mushroom, option D. A chemical safely sprayed on bags of stored grains in godowns. Option B, malathion. Next, which of the following is not an advantage of blanching? Option A, pre-cooling. Next, which among the following was the Anglo-Indian representative in the Indian Constituent Assembly? Option B, Frank Anthony. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with right to life? Article 21, option D. Next, who among the following is returning officer for the election of President of India? Option A, Secretary General of Lok Sabha. Next, what is the subject matter of Article 40 of Indian Constitution? Option D, Panchayati Raj. Next, by which amendment secularism incorporated in the preamble of Indian Constitution? Option C, 42nd Amendment. Next, which article of Indian Constitution deals with Gram Sabha? Article 243, option A. Next, which among the following are in the center list of 7th schedule of Indian Constitution? Option C, 2 and 4. അതായത് ഇൻഷുറൻസ് ആൻഡ് ബാങ്കിങ് ആണ് ആൻസർ 7th ഷെഡ്യൂളിനകത്തുള്ളത്. Next, in which year Balwant Rai Mehta Committee was appointed? Option B, 1957. Next, identify the subject matter of the second chapter of the Indian Constitution, that is citizenship, option A. Next, which among the following act is related to Article 17? Option C, 3 only, അതായത് Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958. Next, which among the following pairs of months will have the same calendar? Option B, January and October. Next, the difference between 75% of a number and 20% of the same number is 378.4. What is 40% of that number? Option A, 275.2. Next, Neha walked 9 meters in the east, then she turned to her right and walked 4 meters. Again she turned to her left and moved 3 meters. Then she turned to her left and walked 9 meters. How far is she and in which direction from the starting point? Option B, 13 meters northeast. Northeast, 13 meters. Next, if I is equal to ice, lips is equal to rose and brows is equal to black, what is coded as forehead? Option D, front ear. Next, a committee of 3 members is to be selected out of 3 men and 2 women. What is the probability that the committee has at least 1 woman? Option C, 9/10. Next, won't flaunt, disparate what? എന്താണ് ആൻസർ? കോൺട്രാസ്റ്റ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ. Want is to flaunt, disparate is to contrast. Option C ആണ് correct answer. What will be the next term in the following? JCXW, FEVU, HGTS. The next term is option C, JIRQ. Next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word punctual be arranged? 20160. That is option D. 20160. Next, find out the wrong term in the series. Option A, 9. Next, in the certain code, if C is equal to 3 and school is equal to 12, then lamb is equal to option C, 7. Next, My brother dash the answers to the question. Knows the answers to the question. Option D. I think I will buy these shirts dash me really well. They fit me really well. Option B. Next. Where dash the book? Where did you keep the book? Option A. At 5 o'clock yesterday evening, I dash for the bus. I was waiting for the bus. Option B. Anne dash ill for 2 weeks. She is still in hospital. Option D. Has been. How did you come? Dash bus. By bus. Option D. Next. Choose the correct sentence from the following. He is doing a course in linguistics. Option B is the correct answer. He is doing a course in linguistics. Next. Which of the following is the opposite of diligent? Option D. Lazy. Next. What is the one word substitute for one who is not sure about God's existence? Option A. Agnostic. Next. What does the idiom kick the bucket means? To die. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ ആൻസർ കീ. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ സെഷൻ യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്. ഇതിലേതെങ്കിലും ഭാഗം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൂടുതൽ എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻ വേണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കണ്ട. അതുപോലെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനും കൂടെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കാനും മറക്കണ്ട. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്. ഹാവ് എ ഗ്രേറ്റ് ഡേ ആൻഡ് മേ ഗോഡ് ബ്ലെസ് യു ഓൾ. ബൈ ബൈ.